This is super exciting. I have not seen the book yet. Here we go. Many thanks to Story Publishing. Ta-da! This is just a quick peek. I will be making an official book trailer soon. Wowee. So I talk about my history with weaving, the history of weaving and paper weaving. I believe it stems from flat weavings and basket weaving. Some of my influences, all about tools and materials, some design elements. So exciting. It looks like the PDF did, just in book form. I feature lots of artists and participants in my Weave Through Winter, which we establish a daily practice in Weave Through Winter. So this book is formatted so that you could do a daily practice and do 30 weavings over the course of 30 days. But of course, because it's a book, you can slow it down. So there's a prompt for each of the weavings, which we do in that class. And yeah, so exciting. This looks great. It smells, I know you can't smell it, but it smells like it's freshly printed. And I'll be starting pre-sales in early October, and the book comes out officially on December 16th, just in time for the holidays. So 30 projects takes quite a few pages. I'm skipping a few. And then there's a gallery section. Oh wait, there's 3 projects. A card, a book, and a lantern, and then the gallery section, which features professional artists who weave paper. I'm interviewing most of these artists on my podcast. I've already interviewed a few. In the back, there's a glossary. Had to make up some words for paper weaving. And then resources, suggested reading, and info about the artists, and an index. Sweet! Can't wait for you to get your hands on this book.